Come test drive the 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.